Namaste. Hello everyone. Welcome to Fit Food and Yoga channel. Today I am going to show you how to make coconut chutney to have it with dosa or idli. The ingredients required are grated coconut, ginger, green chili, curry leaves and few cilantro. Here I have taken half a cup of grated coconut. I am going to add that to the blender. Add it to the blender. Now add a small piece of tamarind. This is the tamarind I have taken. Add it to the blender. Add a few curry leaves, 2 or 3 of them. Now add green chilies as per your taste. I have added bird's eye chili. You can add any green chili of your choice. Next I am adding a small piece of ginger. This is Chinese ginger. Now I am going to add a few coriander leaves, also known as cilantro or malliela in Malayalam. Add salt to it and grind it. This is how it looks before adding water to the chutney. You can have it as is or add some water to it and grind it. Do not forget to add salt. After adding water, this is how the chutney looks. You can add more water if required. Now keep a pan, and once the pan is hot, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Wait until the coconut oil is hot. Once the coconut oil is hot, add few mustard seeds, around 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and around 1/4 teaspoon of urad dal. Once this starts to splutter, add few curry leaves, around 3 or 4 of them. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, take it out of the gas and mix it with the chutney. Give it a nice mix. And your chutney is ready to eat. You can have it with dosa or idli of your choice. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.